Enshore is a seabed trenching company. We specialise in owning and operating seabed trenching assets. We've got a range of trenching vehicles which can trench all types of seabed. Anything that comes into contact with the seabed is what we do.
We're unique in that we have a full range of solutions and that we're flexible with those products, so we're able to configure them in a variety of ways to adapt to different scenarios.
We operate subsea equipment in harsh marine environments. Locations could be hundreds of kilometres off the coast, 3,000 metres below the surface. We might see 300 bar or so of pressure on our equipment. Vehicles and assets operate remotely from the surface. That's quite a challenge. Innovation can come from anyone at Enshore.
It's definitely an environment which rewards innovation.
All of our ideas are considered with the same enthusiasm and rigour in their assessment.
A lot of good ideas that move between different departments. We have a very competent in-house geotechnical department which feeds straight into what we do with the trenches, with our assets and how we build them for each specific job. We work very closely with the asset teams. We often look for the feedback from the guys that work offshore. There's a lot of very good ideas that come from both ends of the spectrum in delivering a project. We monitor a great deal from the assets. Every small metric, every sensor. We can take all this information, we can use it to monitor our performance and see which areas we need to improve. We can predict which components might fail, which components might need to be replaced and minimise downtime. Keep the trencher in the water, keep it working. We have the capability in-house to develop full spreads from ground up, or we have the capabilities to oversee third parties and work closely with other partners to develop new technologies. So to have that full range gives us a huge amount of flexibility. The feedback that comes from the coalface of the business can be some of the best in actually delivering a project on time and on budget. The most important investment is in having the right people in the right departments working together to produce what we produce.
I feel like I've got an exciting opportunity working at Enshore. I've done a huge range of things that I never even thought that I would get involved with. Spending a month living on board one of our state-of-the-art vessels, flying out by helicopter to a substation, working with really experienced and professional guys offshore and in our offices. Enshore gives me the opportunity as an engineer to be at the forefront of subsea technology.